Variations let you group similar products under a single listing, called a parent listing. The parent groups all the variations of your product together, with each variation as a child listing with its own price and inventory. Variations allow customers to compare options like size, color, or style on a single product detail page, making shopping easier and helping to increase visibility and sales. You can create variations when listing your products one by one or in bulk, or add variations to existing products later. The one-by-one experience works well when you're launching a new product family or want more control over how each variation is set up. The available themes will depend on the product category you selected in the Product Identity tab. This will add the Variations tab to your listing workflow. In the Variations tab, you'll start by selecting a variation theme. This defines how your products differ from each other. The available themes will depend on the product category you selected in the Product Identity tab. For example, for footwear, you might choose size and color. For apparel, you might select size, color, and pattern. You'll see all valid theme combinations in a drop-down menu. You can search for a specific theme if you don't want to scroll through the full list. After selecting your theme, you'll specify the actual values for each attribute. For example, if you're adding shoe sizes, you might note that all sizes are measured on a women's size chart, and then enter sizes 9, 10, and 11. If you try to add a size that's already in your list, you'll see a message letting you know that option already exists. Once you've added all variation types, you'll see a complete list of variants based on your selections. For example, if you selected 2 sizes and 3 colors, you'll see 6 variants in total. Each variant appears as a card. The first card is pre-filled with the information you provided for your first variant earlier in the form. You can filter this view to see all variants, only variants that need additional information, or variants you've disabled. You have 2 ways to add more information to your variants: Bulk Edit and Individual Edit. Bulk Edit lets you apply the same information across multiple variants at once. You'll choose the attribute you want to edit, like image or title, and it will be applied to all the variants you selected. Individual Edit lets you customize each child variation. For example, if you have a different SKU for each child variation, you can input those details one by one here. Make sure to complete all your variation details before moving on to the Offer tab, where you will be able to add offer information for the variations you provided. For more information about how to list your products one by one, review our How to List Your First Product guide in Seller University.